Windows 10 is unable to load Android devices as MTP devices. I had recently upgraded my laptop from Windows 8.1 to 10. Since the upgrade, I am unable to connect my Android devices as MTP, or portable media player, devices on Windows. The devices that I am using are Nexus 4, Samsung Grand 2, and Kindle Fire HD 7-inch. Prior to the upgrade, I was able to view these as portable devices. All of these are displaying as Android ADB devices. I have tried the usual procedure of deleting that from Device Manager, and choosing Windows to choose an appropriate driver. Windows 10 doesn't even display an option to add these as MTP USB devices or USB composite devices. I have attempted to connect these devices to another Windows 8 machine that I have, and they work pretty fine. Can someone help me with a solution?
MTP is a protocol associated to Windows Media Player, but Windows 10 does not include the WMP. The Media Feature Pack for N and KN versions of Windows 10 will install Media Player and related technologies on a computer running Windows 10 N or Windows 10 NOTS editions. For further information, please see this URL and query the knowledge base for the article number KB3010081. So, download Windows 10 KB3010081 x86.msu or Windows 10 KB3010081 x64.msu from this URL and install it. The problem will be solved. The new package to download is this URL, as in the documentation. New version for Windows Anniversary Update 1607 KB3133719. This URL. New version for Windows 1709 and above, this URL. Other versions, this URL.
After Windows 10 Creators 15063 update to get it working, I had to navigate to the C:\Windows\INF folder, then find a file called wpdmtp.inf and install it by right-clicking on it.
I remedied this with my HTC by updating to the latest USB driver. I'd recommend looking on your manufacturer's website for updated drivers. Failing that, trying choosing one of the generic Windows MTP drivers.
The download of the media package may solve this. However, I don't have Media Player at home on my Windows 10 Pro N machine and can connect my removable devices perfectly fine. You may need to download the Android drivers from Google's page here, this URL. This is part of the Android SDK, so when you download it, select the USB driver package and install that. I had some issues with Windows 7 and Android drivers. Windows 8 seemed to fix it, hence why 10 is fine for me. Give that a try though and let us know how you get on, smiley face. HTH.
If you want to support the channel, please consider liking and subscribing.